Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. In today's third video we will take a look at the Bitcoin market. It's time to update our view because the situation has changed significantly on the intraday charts and on the daily chart. We have new inputs for our trade. And take a look. Initially, if you remember, we said about this wash and rinse action. Engulfing, we said some ABCD pattern should be formed, and indeed market has completed perfectly the OP target on the intraday charts. Then starts upward reaction. But the major question that was what this reaction is, whether it's upward continuation or it will be just reaction after the drop, and then market should continue move lower. Well, currently, guys, it seems that the second scenario becomes more probable, because take a look after the significant session here. As you can see, very good price action was really thrusting action, good candle. Market has formed bearish grabber here. It suggests the taking out of these lows, and as this was really sharp upward action, the same straightforward downward action has happened in the next session. That indicates the change in the sentiment. In recent few days, correlation with the stock market has increased, and stock market right now stands in the downward action. It makes us think that we could get downward continuation right to the major support area around 80 even. That's really could happen. Because don't forget that our initial ABCD pattern is still valid, and we have the next target. So in fact, that was the reaching OP, ABCD retracement, reaction on this OP target, and now we stands this part is actually the continuation of this leg and that leg. So that's actually should lead us to the next target. So here's how it looks like on the intraday charts. Take a look what has happened. Initial drop, here we said going short with the Gartner steeple to sell patterns OP target, 30% support. It has been hit. Market starts to form hand shoulders. We said take long position with a possible ABCD pattern. So you can see target barely has been reached, so not quite reached. Here market shows sharp reversal, drop below the neckline, drop below the bottom of the right arm, which is not good. This is not good action. It means that we could go lower to the XOP, which stands at 81.45, and agrees with the daily confidence support. That's what we will get. Only if market will climb back up, taking out of this top, that will return back the bullish context that we could get. Until market stands inside of this swing, it keeps bearish context for a possible downward continuation. From that standpoint, we need to control price action around the major levels. So you can see here a few levels. Confidence resistance for market comes right now. It's 92.50. First resistance. Next will be around 94 area. So that's two levels. So market could show some retracement here and then reestablish downward action. So keep watching for that. This top is also important because on the daily chart we have the grabber, and only if market will erase this grabber, we could say that probably yes, bullish context still valid, and market could proceed higher, keeping this consolidation like the bullish preparation for a possible upward action. If this will not happen and market turns down, for example, forming another minor grabber here on the daily, that will tell us that market is coming to the 80 even area. So that's why watch for patterns inside of the swing. If we will get Gartner steeple to sell, that will be opportunity to go short. That, as I said, an area that market have to overcome to return back to the bullish context. That's what we have currently on the Bitcoin market.